think it did it did the job. Like, no, I'm just playing, y'all. So first I'm gonna be starting with that. I went to Sephora this past Thursday and I was gonna try the tinted moisturizer that they had by Lancome. The lady tried to help me by finding a shade for me, and right now, because of the whole pandemic, everything that's going on, you cannot try shades on in Sephora. So all they can do is put it on like a piece of paper or something they put it on, they put it next to your skin to try to see how it would look. I was very nervous about it, y'all, because I'm always in between two shades when I go to get myself shaded with makeup. So of course, the first shade that they picked out for me, y'all, it left a white cast. I was casket ready. So the next day I returned that, and she actually fitted me in this shade right here by Laura Mercier, because they had a variety of colors. This color, I'm guessing, y'all, it says 5W1 tan. So this is the color that I have, and I'm gonna try this out. I'm super nervous about it, but I feel like tinted moisturizer will be better for foundation, well, better than foundation, if you're going for kind of a look that you want the look to be lightweight. And I especially feel like in the summer months, the tinted moisturizer would be a better fit for anybody because it's light. So I just wanted to try it out because I've been seeing some people try it out on YouTube, and I was just curious about it, try to see if maybe I could switch out my foundation and do this tinted moisturizer. So I'm getting ready to try it now. Kind of nervous. I don't know how I should apply this. Some of the videos that I've seen, people actually applied the tinted moisturizer with a beauty blender. My beauty blender is not clean. Let me try to sort through this, y'all. My beauty blender is not clean, and I don't know how that's gonna do. I didn't clean it. It already has like makeup on it, and I could use my makeup brush, but my makeup brush is not clean as well, or my foundation brush. So I'm gonna try to see. I think maybe I should just do it with my hand. I might just apply it with my hand. Maybe my hand and my beauty brush, or my beauty blender. Y'all, already I can tell that this is gonna be a perfect fit or a perfect match. I hope my ring light is not too light, y'all. Sometimes I can completely record a video and see that my ring light is way too light, and I'll be so pissed after I get done because I'm like, it's so hard. Try to see. Also, y'all seen what my skin was looking like prior to me starting. I don't feel like I have the most flawless of skin, so I did see someone who tried out the tinted moisturizer and they didn't like it, because if you have dark spots and stuff, I will say this stuff is not full coverage for the most part. So if you have dark spots on your face, it's really not going to cover that up. So initially with me applying it, this is what it's looking like. Y'all, I feel like it just looks like my skin. Do y'all feel like it did anything? I feel like it just looks exactly like my skin, or maybe I'm just like, maybe I should add a little bit more and see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. What y'all think? I feel like it honestly looks like my skin, but it's just giving just a little like that of a glow. You know what I'm saying? Like a little sprinkle of glow. You know what I'm saying? So I really like it, y'all. This honestly might be my go-to. Like I might be doing this. I might be doing this other than my NARS, y'all. Well, I know for this, like for the summer months, y'all, for some reason, I really have not been liking my foundation. I really have not been liking it. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I've been getting oily, but this tinted moisturizer, baby. And y'all, like, look at the glow. Like, not too greasy, not too anything, just the right bit of glow. Like, look at that. So what I'm gonna do is put on the rest of my makeup so you guys can see, and I'm gonna be right back with the final, you know, look after I put my makeup on, or the rest of my makeup, or how I would do my everyday makeup look, however you want to say. So y'all, I just did my eyebrows because I suck at trying to do eyebrows on camera, but I'm getting ready to speed through the part of me doing my makeup. I pretty much do everything the same like I did in my everyday makeup look. I will make sure I put that video in my description box if you're interested in seeing how I do my everyday makeup look, but I'm going to speed through that footage of me doing my makeup. Hope y'all enjoy seeing your girl. I'm just playing. But I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that footage, y'all, and I'll be right back with y'all. Like, you know, don't go nowhere. Stay right here watching this video. Okay, when I was in Sephora, I asked her, I was like, what is that highlighter that everybody was raving about by Rihanna? I was like, by Fenty Beauty. And before I could even finish my sentence, the lady was like, you mean Trophy Wife? So y'all, when I was in Sephora, I picked this up too, and look. Hold on, I can't get it open, y'all. I'm struggling. Do you see how pretty that is? I know I'm late because people been like raving over this for like a very long time, but sis, like, look at that. That's cute. Like, it's so much lighter than this that I was using. Like, it really pops. So kind of like nervous about it, but let's see what we working with. I'm gonna do a little bit. The lady did tell me, she was like, a little bit with this goes a long way. So I usually put the highlighter that I use by MAC, I put that on heavy, but I'm not gonna put this on heavy because see, y'all, I like barely tapped into that. And do you see what we twerking with? Oh, probably should have went a little lower. Oh well. Put a little bit on my nose. Y'all see what we working with? Don't want to put too much. Blend it out a little, just to use the finger. I feel like I went too high on one side, but oh well. But y'all, look at this. Like, I'm just playing, y'all. But do y'all see the highlighter? Like, do y'all see how pretty that is? Like, don't play with me. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But this is what the finished look looks like. Usually for an everyday makeup look, I probably wouldn't do lashes. Like if I'm going to work or something, I'll just do mascara. But y'all, what do y'all think about this tinted moisturizer? Like, I think it did it did the job. Like, I'm liking it. I feel like you can't really even tell that I don't actually have foundation on and I just have this on. So y'all, this might be my go-to. This right here. This might be my go-to. I absolutely love it. And look at this, like, let me get my thumbnail, y'all. I'm just playing. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And yeah, make sure y'all leave a comment down below. I think I already said that. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.